Small bird and a golden crown. Once in a forest, there was a small bird who loved singing. One day, a big bird heard small bird singing. Big bird was jealous and told small bird, "Stop singing. You are too small and your voice is very bad." The small bird felt sad but didn't stop singing. She practiced every day and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard small bird's beautiful song and was very impressed. He gave the small bird a beautiful golden crown. Moral of the story: believe in yourself. I hope you like this story. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, like and share my video.